Bismillah, Alhamdulillah, wassalatu wassalamu ala Rasulillah. Arabic language is amazing and easy. Let's take ninth aspect. Short forms for common words. While sending SMS, we try to use short forms in English. For example, here's a sentence. And are you coming for me? Instead of A and D, we use ampersand sign and. A-R-E, letter R. Y-O-U, letter U. F-O-R, number 4, and so on. But Arabic has built-in short forms and they are used as prefixes or attachments before the words. So if I use just letter A, it can mean is, am, are, have, has, had, do, does, depends on where it is used. Similarly, B means in, Ta means by, Sa, very soon, Fa, so, and, then, Ka means like, La means surely, Li means for, before nouns, Li before verbs means so that, L before nouns means the, definite article the, Il before verbs means should, Wa means and or by of oath, and so on. You have one letter for common terms when they come as suffix also, as at the end of the words, kind of suffix. So hu means his, ka means your, e means mine. And they are absorbed in other words' syllable. For example, kitab is book. Kitabuhu is his book. So you don't say kitabuhu, you just say kitabu. And kitabuk, your book. Kitabi, my book. Even for two letters, you have one quick syllable like hum, their, kum, your, na, our, and so on. And you don't need to give spacing between these suffixes and prefixes. So if you want to say and for you, you just write as if it is one word, walaka. You want to know more? Subscribe to our channel, youtube.com/user/understandquran. Wassalamu alaikum.